Hey guys, so I'm over here making a lot of lanyards, and my lanyards need to be exactly 1 inch wide for my brackets. Let me see if I show you one I've already made here. Okay, so these are the ones that I have. So basically I need to extend the width of my fabric to go into this little clamp here. So basically I've taken my fabric and I've taken the whole width and created a 2-inch strip. Now I need to make many of them, so I've created a little jig. It's just 1 inch. I used a file, and what I'm doing is I have my board here. I'm just gonna press this a little bit, get all the folds out of it, and then I'll show you how I make all of my binding. And this is not on the bias. This is just regular on the grain, the whole selvage. So this is the whole width of the 45 inches. So now what I did was I take this here, I fold it in, and I feed it through here. Like so. Now I'm going to press this here, making sure we're all even here. Now I'm taking this end and I'm using a pin to connect it to the side of my little ironing board here. My felt ironing mat, whatever you want to call it. And now what I'm doing with my iron is I have a little groove here, which everybody's has. So I'm just taking my iron, sticking it into that little groove, and pushing my template along, making sure that I'm keeping my fabric centered so I don't have more on one side than the other. And here's how it looks. Goes pretty quickly, but I've had made so many. So these are going to be lanyards for teachers. I will show you the beautiful ribbon that I found. See how quick I'm going along? And I can't make it any narrower or any wider because I'm following my template here. Came to the end. If I had a bigger ironing board, I wouldn't have to keep stopping and pulling. Again, I'm taking my pin, pinning it there, sticking my little edge of my iron in there, and simply dragging along. Keep getting spam calls, it's nonsense. You know, I heard people saying that if you get a spam call, answer it and give them some kind of quirky answer like, what time would you like to make your appointment today? Or you reached the mortician, or you reached the police or something. Then I heard somebody in the comments saying, You don't want to do that because these people are so savvy. They can use your voice in an AI and use your voice to against you. All right, so you see this? We're all done. Now I will show you what this one is going to go on. I think it was this one. Oh, I do got to show you all my ribbons. They're perfect for teachers. These are going to be wristlets, the shorter ones. Where is all of them? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Look at how gorgeous these are for teachers. Perfect gift for them, or for teachers yourself if you want to buy them yourself, for yourself, let's say. And I'm doing blue on blue. I am doing the black on yellow. Look at how much fun that is. And then I'm doing yellow on green. What teacher wouldn't love this as a gift? And what else am I forgetting? Did the blue. And then this is going to be for the beautiful school bus one. All right, guys, I hope that this little hint has helped you. This is a file folder. I took, like I said before, I measured the width of my little clamp here, and I just drag it through. It's my little way. And again, this is on the grain, not on the bias, because we're sticking it onto this and we don't want any stretch in it. All right, guys, I hope this has been informative. You like my little hint, and let me know what you think about my lanyards. I'm hoping to be able to get some teachers interested or some parents interested to give a gift to their teachers. First day of school, or for teachers to buy for themselves. But this is what we're going to be ending up with. I think they're so cute. It's going to be great for teachers. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of my little idea, if my little hack has helped you, and if you'll be trying it yourself. I hope I gave you ideas for teachers as well. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me questions, comments, and follow me. Thank you.